How does it sound to earn an extra $1, $2, or even $5,000 per month from online income? You can achieve this, but it's important to choose the right online incomes that's worth your time. So in this video, we're going to go over 6 online incomes that you can get started on. Alright, and the first income is blogging. Blogging is an amazing income that you can start for free. And what I love about medium.com is they have their own built-in audience. So this means that you don't have to go out and get people to read your blogs. If you're making high quality blogs / articles, then people will come and read your content. Publish, grow, and earn all in one place. And Medium has a lot of people that come to their website, millions. And if you don't believe me, you can look, and Barack Obama even publishes his content on medium.com. So even if you're a new blogger, never blogged before, you still can sign up. And Medium has a lot of features like audience insight, social connectivity, powerful networking, email subscription, a lot of different features to make your journey an easy experience. Or if you want your own domain, your own website where you can have your blog, you can use namehero.com or SiteGround, Bluehost to get your web hosting service, but I like NameHero. And it's really easy to get started, but it does cost money. You're probably gonna have to pay $50 to $75 to get it started up. But once you do, and depending on what topic you pick, it's gonna look something like this. This is one of my websites where you have different blogs on your website you write about. This one is just about sheets that I made. How long do bed sheets last? What sheets are good for rough feet? So it's just all about sheets. This is how your blog would be if you made your own with the website route. Okay, and our second online income you can get started on is social media automation. Social media automation is one that's very easy to start depending on what niche you're in. And it's a lot of different ways you can get started on it, from posting on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you pick, and a lot of different choices of how to earn. You can start up a course, you can sell a digital product, you can even sell t-shirts if you wanted to once you build the audience up. And if you're wondering what social media automation looks like, this is a great example right here. I know you've seen at least a couple pages of just motivated content where it doesn't show a face and just show like a clip or something about, you know, a motivational speech. That's basically what automation is. And you can do it in any niche. You can do this in the cooking niche, giving out cooking tips, or cleaning niche, giving out cleaning tips. It's pretty much a faceless channel where you're just giving out quotes, speeches, or something along those lines. And the content isn't that hard to make. Like this one right here, I'm sure it probably took not more than 3 minutes just to make this piece of content, because all you got to do is put the clips together and then find a quote that you want and put on captions, and you're done, which doesn't take any type of time. You can get a lot of stock videos from pexels.com if you don't know where to go. They have a lot of high quality, amazing stock footage and images on there if you want to try them out. Okay, the third online income that you can start, and it's completely free as well, is one of my favorites, and that is affiliate marketing. It's a lot of programs that you can start with, and one that a lot of beginners start with is Amazon affiliate program, which you can start for completely free. You don't have to have any experience. And once you sign up, you can promote that link anywhere, which they will give you links to like the product, so you can promote it anywhere you want. Second, you just recommend the products to whoever, you know, whatever platform you chose. So let's say you're on social media, you're just recommending certain products on social media, or if you're doing a blog, you can do it this way as well. And lastly, you earn up to a 10% in associate commissions, which, you know, is the best part. And it's that easy. You don't have to have any experience to join, you know, the biggest. This is Amazon Associate is probably the biggest one in the world too, because of how big Amazon is. And let's say you started on social media. This is an Amazon product they had on Amazon. Let's say they was doing affiliate marketing and they got 7.9 million views on this video and was earning about $1 to $2 per sale, and they got about 50,000 to 100,000 sales. That's $50,000 to $100,000 or even more for just this video with 7.9 million views, which is a lot of money. Of course, you're not going to get that many views on all of your content, but you will get views on a decent amount of them, which can really rack up your profits. And I'm sure you can see how much you can earn with affiliate marketing just by promoting different products on social media. Okay, and the fourth online income you can get started with is editing services. A lot of people don't know how amazing editing services can be. And don't worry, if you don't know how to edit yet, it's not that hard. You can learn it, the skill, in a couple of weeks just for basic editing and sell your services. And it's a million courses on YouTube that you can get started with on Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. Some of the top editing softwares out here. And once you learn the skills, you can easily get clients by going to TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram and just messaging influencers like, hey, I seen your content is really high quality, but I can make it better. I can edit one free video for you to show off my services in case you want to buy them. And if you can get 5 to 10 clients and be making 10 to 20 videos a day, because it don't take that much time to make those type of videos, you can easily earn $100, $200, or maybe even $300 a day. Okay, on to our fifth one. We're moving through the list pretty good, and that is going to be a web design business. And don't worry if you're thinking, I don't know how to do web design, I've never done that before. It's very easy to learn. You can learn this skill in a couple of weeks using builders like Elementor and Divi, which makes designing websites a whole lot easier, especially compared to like JavaScript back in the day. Or you can go to a website like Upwork and get people to design a website for you, and you split the profits from your customers, and you don't have to do any work, which can be pretty passive on your part. And the way to get customers, the way I started is, a lot of businesses around you in your state, they do not have good websites, and they do not have the time to make websites. So all you really need to do is come over to your Google, type in businesses near me. You can click on more places if you want to see all the businesses around you. So this is just in my surrounding area, just my city, and you can go for your whole state and just hit up a lot of different businesses, go to their website and be like, hey, I see your website is pretty cool looking, but it's a little outdated. Having a cool and attractive website can really boost up your sales or generate more customers coming to your store when they come to your website and see how nice it looks. And then you can pitch them a website price, which you can do for around $500, even starting out. Okay, and we finally made it to the sixth and final online income, and that is print on demand. A lot of people think with print on demand you just sell t-shirts or hoodies and that's all you can do, but that's just not the case. You can sell a lot of amazing and different products with print on demand using Printify. Printify catalog is huge. They have a lot of different products on here. Let's just look at a couple of them. Of course, they got t-shirts and hoodies right here, but let's go on to the accessories and home living, which a lot of different people do not sell. As you can, let's just click on home living and you can see all the different categories like bottles and tumblers, canvas, ornaments, postcards, magnets and stickers, bathroom category, blankets, rug and mats. They have a lot of different categories that you can sell in, not just t-shirts and hoodies, which you can create your business in, and you can create the designs. It's not going to be plain. You can go to somewhere like Canva to create your designs, and once you create your designs, you can go to place it to put it on mock-ups. And what this does, when you create the mock-ups, you can now put the mock-ups on social media so you can actually market your business. And if you need your storefront, of course you can use the most popular one, which is Shopify, which you can place all your products on there. Or if you don't want to use Shopify, you can use Etsy.com, which is another amazing storefront you can put your items on. They have millions of customers that already come to their store, so unlike Shopify, you don't have to get any of your customers. They come here already. And the last one I'm gonna mention that you can put your store on is Redbubble. They're a lot like Etsy because they bring in all your customers for you. All you need to do is put on your products, and like I said, the customers already come for you, which is amazing, especially if you're a beginner. And these are 3 amazing storefronts that you can get started on. And that right there is 6 amazing online incomes that you can get started in, most of them being free, which is amazing. If you don't have much money to invest, I hope at least one of them caught your eye. My personal favorite though is affiliate marketing, but they're all amazing. I hope this video was helpful for you. You just found your next online income, and until next time.